Guys, what are the top 4 mistakes we need to avoid as a Python developer? So, if you avoiding this mistake, your code will be more readable and also more maintainable, and it will be more perform, and also you will be confident as a Python developer. So let's go to the video and see what are those top 4 mistakes we need to avoid as a Python developer. So let's go to the video. Mistake number 1 is using single quotation instead of a double quotation. The both quotations are work in Python, but if you want to type a string and inside that string you want to type another string, so like guys, you need to use the single quotation only, the double inside of the double quotation. So that's the first mistake when we are doing coding, because I saw someone using a string with a double quotation, with a single quotation, but you have to use it a double quotation, because when we want to use some string in inside, like he say like this, and you want to add the quotation to that part what he said. So that way you can just use a single quotation inside the double quotation. This is the place where we can add a single quotation. Second mistake is using a wrong comparison operator. Like example, if we take a variable, the name age is equal to 5, like guys. So if we using just equal as a first one equal sign, that's wrong, that's correct in the variable. And also what happen if I use if equal to 5, if s equal to 5, so we just use single equal. So it is a wrong, it is a syntax error. That's why we have to use the double equal signs. So if variable name and also double equal signs and 5. So that is the second mistake you are doing when you do coding. If someone is using like this, if x is equal to 5, so they are going to type if x just 1 equal and 5. So this is the wrong, this is the second mistake you are doing, and it will also get you a syntax error in coding. So this is the second mistake you are doing as a Python developer. So our third mistake is using wrong type of variable. So what happen if I use wrong type of variable? Just example, I am using x is equal to and double quotation and 10. So and then I just want to plus this x value to 5. So I just type y is equal to s plus 5. So what will be? It will be error, because of we cannot plus string and integer. So avoiding this mistake, you have to just convert your string value to integer. So you have to just convert your string value to integer. So you just type s is equal to integer and also parenthesis and double quotation and your number 10. So then in the next line you have to type y is equal to x addition 5. So that's why you can just easily convert a string to the integer, and also avoiding this mistake you will not face lot of error in your system. So let's go to our fourth mistake. Guys, our fourth mistake is not using init method when we work in classes. For example, every starter in Python developers, so using this type of classes, like without a init method. So that's a very mistake, because it is not properly set up with attributes and also the object. When you define as a class like this, so the class name is dot and also def and then bar parenthesis and also self and print move. So that class is not properly set up attribute and object. So how can you properly set up an attribute and object like us? So the at init method. So in this example, they have a class name called dot and also def init method and self comma name. So and open and the self dot name equal to name. So if I pass the name to this, it will recognize as a class name is I pass the name. So if I pass the name, it will recognize as a self name, and also they have a method def bar self, and also they have a print f string curly braces and self dot name and says move. So that's the better and proper way we can identify classes with the init method. So don't miss this init method because it is very useful and it is very good. It is a very good habit when you add this init method to your code. So far you learned the top 4 mistake when we are coding in Python. So if you have any doubt about it, comment down below, and also go and subscribe and like the video. See you guys in the next video.